Today is Monday, June 24th. It's like 9:30 a.m. And today, I'm not 100% sure what we're going to be doing yet, but a man who is a friend of my grandmother's named John is going to come pick us up in about half an hour. Alright, well I found out a bit more about the guy who's picking us up today. His name is John Biehl. He actually has a Wikipedia page. And he is a Chilean lawyer and a political scientist and also a diplomat. And he was the Chilean ambassador to the United States for a number of years. And he's involved in a lot of different political things here in Chile.
Hello, John. Nice to meet you.
I'm sorry about this.
Nice to meet you.
I'm Whit.
Huh?
My name's Whit.
Whit, yes.
Whit feather.
Nice to meet you.
Hello.
Whit is dangerous, no?
Lunch with John and his wife at this restaurant right here. Now let's go. We got lunch, and now it is raining really hard. Like really hard. And we're waiting for a ride to get here. So kind of just waiting here in the rain.
Well, I don't know. It all depends on how raised you are.
Well, we finally got back to our apartment after like 6 hours. I am just exhausted. I can barely even function right now. But we had a nice lunch with John and his wife Gloria. A very nice lunch actually. I got clam chowder, which was quite delicious. John and his wife were both very nice people, and they're both extremely complex and interesting, and John was obviously the ambassador, the Chilean ambassador to the United States for a number of years, and he knows a lot of really famous people like Ronald Reagan and, you know, a lot of famous people anyway. And yeah, I had a great time talking with him today at lunch. I learned a lot, honestly, but my brain just cannot take anymore right now. I'm totally exhausted, as you can probably see from my face. But yeah, anyway, we're back here. I think we're just gonna hang out for the rest of the evening, and I'm gonna work on some editing for my other videos that I have. I think I'm gonna end today's video here, just because like nothing else really exciting is gonna be happening today.